Alright guys, welcome back. So it's been a little while since I've been doing unboxings. Kind of took a little break from some stuff. Haven't been able to make as many videos as I was before, but life happens and that's okay. Anyways, we are checking out today is the Light Life grill pan for stovetops. This got a 5-star reviews, 52 ratings from Amazon. It runs about $28, and I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So here's the handle. It looks wood, but it's clearly some kind of a plastic, a molded plastic. It comes with a user's manual. PFOA free, lead free, non-stick, easy to clean, heat evenly and quickly. You can use it for induction, electro, gas, ceramic, pretty much all stovetop types. Maintenance, clean, use sponge or soft scouring pad to clean inner surface of the pan and lid. Do not use sharp materials. Don't use metal on it. Dishwasher safe. Oh wait, oven and dishwasher are not applicable. Okay, so don't use it in oven and don't use it in dishwasher. Okay, so what's cooking heat? Low to medium heat for long-lasting performance. High heat tend to damage coating faster. Okay, so as with a lot of these non-stick ones, high heat is just too much for them and can cause problems with the coating, either getting stuff burned on there or whatever. All right, so this is the handle, and it looks wood too, but it's cool, like, I don't know, solid silicone. It feels silicone, but it's solid. Almost like a solid, like, I was thinking it was just silicone coated, but it's actually like, if you look there, it's got this, it's solid. Yeah, it's just kind of a neat, I can't even really describe it. It's like a soft, squishy, but hard feeling, but feels like it's nice grip though, and it's strong. Okay, so here is the lid for that, and some assembly required. Obviously, this has the screw right here, so this is just a regular Phillips head screwdriver, which I don't have on me right now. I'll go grab one. There's that, and here is the pan itself. So it's got this nice thick part for the hopefully even heat distribution, and on the sides here it has a place where you can, I think, so allow the steam to escape, as well as you could put a spoon in there with the lid on too if you want. It looks like it'd be like super non-stick. I'm gonna make a of cooking with this later on, and I'll link it in the description below when I do that. Just kind of test out. Maybe I'll put some cheese in there and melt it in there and see how well it comes off of there. But this has really good reviews on Amazon, so I'm pretty excited to try it out here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver here as well, so I'm gonna go grab that and we'll throw this thing together. All right, we're back. Got my trusty screwdriver here. This one's been with me for a while. Don't want to drop this. Okay, I believe that those are just going to go on the outside here. So we're going to take these with the washer and the lock nut on there and drop it through the hole on the back side here. There we go, right through there, so it comes through. And just kind of hold that on there with your finger. And here's the pan right here. Just kind of get that lined up, just like that. Get your screwdriver in there, and it should automatically kind of, hopefully, line up. We're just going to rotate this. Feels like it's snugging down on there. doesn't need to super over tighten on that. That looks pretty nice and flush right there. Gotta say, it feels sturdy. I'm liking that. All right, now let's assemble the top part here. This one was on there a little bit. I couldn't untighten it with my hand. Now I can. All right, so it has this kind of metal and like a little plastic washer there too. We're going to put that plastic part through there so it shows there. Oops, we're not. We're going to go through this way. Silly me. From the back side, and then hold it with your finger. And then we're just going to place this on top. Rotate it righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay. And get it most of the way. I'm just going to get it lined up there on top. Flip it over. Hold my handle, and then I can tighten it the rest of the way. Now this, you don't want to over-tighten. You don't want to crack your glass or anything or bend it. So that is that, my friend. So there it is. Like I said, when I do some cooking videos, I'm going to test this out once I get it washed off. I'll link that in the description below. Might take me a few days, but that's the intention. But here it is right now. I will link this product in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Like 5 stars, not bad. So I'm a little excited to test it out, but it feels sturdy. It looks good. This handle, I mean, the wood look without maybe the downside of the look, if it's like a plastic or something, is pretty cool. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll link this in the description below if you want to check it out. And I am an Amazon associate, so if you guys do click on the links and buy stuff, it helps support the channel. So I appreciate you guys' support. Everyone have a great day out there, and we will see you next time. Take care.